Nakuha na yung number 29. 29. But it is a in number 8. In number 8. Now pala na yung number 8. Pass to number 5. Tinira and pass favor of team Australia. And that is a good shot. Hindi nakuha pa rin pagkalakas. With 1 minute to play. Number 11. Number 11 with a jump shot and that is a... Number 8. Number 8. Number 8 tumataka din ang sagot kay number 2. That is a 2. May shot lang pala pero tumira with another shot. Dapat makukuha ni number 5. Number 5. Nagmamadali pass to number 11. Tinira. Number 5. Abray ng bola. Pass to number 2. Back to number 5. Tinira. That is a seconds to shoot.
Minsan lang.
Nasa tinira. Never. Makukuha pa rin yung number 8. Kung makabarakot pa, pinasa kay number 11. And that is 6 seconds to shoot with a 3-point. And that is a number 11. Ako pa rin ang bola na yung number 11. Mas hindi rin ang thread. And that is a 3-point shot para number 22. Pass to number 10 with a 3-point shot. And wala ang bola, makukuha na yung number 3. Pass to number 27. Number 27 with an undershot. Wala ang bola. Tinira ni number 27. Wala ang bola. Nasa kayo number 22. Tinira. No good. Wala ang bola. Makukuha pa rin ni number 27. With 10 seconds to shoot. Everything with an undershot. No good pa rin talaga. No good. Tinira pa rin. And that is in my... The first shot is good shot. Kasi wala ang bola, tinira na agad, and that is a good shot para kay number 64. 24. Passing out of Bernays to the good shot. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, this is your moment, and that is a 2-point shot. Good shot. Second shot, ready rebound. Second shot, ready rebound. Number 8, out pa rin ang number 8. Tinira na agad. Dapat nakuha na yung number 8. Tinira, push up. Pagkalakas. Number 8. Number nakuha ni number 9. Tinira, nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Basta tinira, number 5. Number 5. Nakuha pa rin ni number 27. Tinira. Nakuha para makukuha pa rin ni number 1 with a jump shot. And that is a good 2 points para kayo. Nagmamadali si number 8. Maraka-Bernays sila makukuha ni number 0. Kasi number 11. Bernays sila number 11. Umasakit. Tumira. But my pals. Number 5. Tumira. Nagulit makukuha ni number 10. Back to number 5. Dinalo. And that is another pass. To number 29. With a 3-point.